Malamagwa, che jenjor along kagwa kan mal ben ke ye online. And one la go ba nang ke rule kel ke ngutin yan ke show tin kwen ke. Hello, today I'm going to take you through another rule of countable nouns. I know I have taken a while without coming to you guys online, and today I'm just going to take you through one. I don't have my time today, but I remember my promise. So the rule today is going to be u and o. What did been called ni thin and wale and what in chalke u kane o. U kane o a ngumalot kaken. U kane o a gary min ger ngot ka I mean chot in quanken a ro. Sometimes chot in quanke che jo menano che jo menano take a ngot the janang ro we ngwan ka tong nuara ka to ka wai ni ka ngot wal jok ka ro dien che nang ka ngot ba kelte nyam wal me ba nong baro dien ka ngodin baro dien en jeni chol ka u kane u kane u ngu lamma dien u kane u gar ka ro dien kel mi chi riet kel ke mi chi chot kel jek ateke chot kel mi chi jek take a woo. La dide long over again no woo. Chan big a kula to one. Sometime la gera ne woo me shall mat kel can I ho. Ki woo me shall mat kel can I oh. So oo can I oh. Ke oo can I ho. Sometime gar rodi no oo. Ke gar rodi no woo. And yen what in good because right in a while. But no example like example in Nyam Ron, which stands for a year, sometime it could be age. So Ron and term wu can ho charadian gerung term yara gerno wu bika run. Michika run, then chikating one and term ages. Example a Thor. Tor moige je teddare ke wu kane ho so brother ge ne wu bokura three drawings draws. You can also say drawings. Min dong in terme e wu kane o lap tuong ko bi ko le jaga ting wan bi wu kane o ta kam le bi ga ge nu ne o bi ga chole tong tuong, egg, eggs, Gwa, min rew min diok, min ngwan dien, ngot. Sorry, ngwad, a mich more tooth, yes. So maguro bika ting one bika choli ngwad, female, ngut, males. Now, there's one interesting thing I need to tell you about this last one I just said. You see, ngot here mean female, and then ngut will also mean females in plural. Now, when you flip these two, when you begin with ngut, in Nuer it also become low, just one, like the law of the land. And when you also take ngot, you actually just change the sound, the spelling remain the same. You just change the sound to ngot. Instead of ngot, it become ngot. So ngot become the plural of law. We're going to talk about that when we reach to it. So okay, the next examples here is going to be kut. Kut, some people write it with Kuoth, and sometimes is kut, just like Kuoth instead of Kuoth. Yeah. So kut, you see, this is O, it changes to Wu, which is kuth. Kut for God and kuth for gods. So gods, like plural gods. So and bun, like bonkel, then buntungwan. Bontungwan, ke buan, sometimes other people call it buan, bun, buan. Bun can also mean a bundle. It could also mean a group. So bun is a group. Bon are groups. Bon to one. So the other things is jur. Okay. Akelara ke michal ke jur. Jur te ba nangra ka tognas. Sometimes you jur chiran jur. When you hire someone to do something for you, that is also called jur. And jur sometimes also mean is the plural form of Gentiles. If there's Gentiles with S, that become jur. And one become jor. Jor mean the plural of all Gentiles. But jor also mean people that you've hired. Or it mean the land tenants. You see that? So it means three things. I want you to learn three terms that mean the same thing in Nuer today, but they are actually flipping from one to another. So like you flip from the singular to plural for another words, but is the singular, the plural of the other word is the singular of another. So jur is a one person. If you are a landlord, the person renting from you is a jur, is renting from you. But jur could also mean Gentiles, the plural of Gentiles. You see what I'm saying? So this is just what I want you to know out of that. And then if there are many people renting from your, from you or renting your property, they become jor. See, they are renting from you, they become jor. But jor, it might sound the same. Jor is a Gentile. Jur, a Gentile. You see how these two flip from one another. The singular of another is a plural of another word. So that is the kind of confusion that I want to clear. Okay, let's talk about another examples. So look. Look is judgment. Look, when judgments, when there are many. Locked in one. Look, locked in one. Then moon for land. Then mon for lands, like property. You have one plot somewhere, you got another plot somewhere, or you got a land somewhere, so many become mon. Take a mon to one. Thok, as in language, then thok, languages. Thok, language, thok, languages. Oh, now, here come the example I talked about before. Ngut and what. Ngut is a low, and what is lows. Well, I remember in the University of Juba, they were teaching us Arabic, and one man was complaining about, to our teacher, that yesterday you talk about azaha, meaning the same thing, and today the same words you were calling it hazihi in Arabic. So it might be the same thing today. Some of you might be like, oh, you taught us different things yesterday, and today you're teaching us different things. Well, one word in Nuer could mean 10 different words in English. Just like one word in English could mean 10 different things in Nuer. That's what I want you guys to know. Do not feel confused. If you have any confusion that you need to be cleared, please text me and inbox me. I can always answer your questions or anything that you want to correct. You're welcome. Thank you so much. See you guys next time.